So we celebrate the growth, resilience, and shared success. And of course, who better to narrate this inspiring story than the driving forces behind it? So, ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together and join me in welcoming Mr. Gurnath Desugaru, Naveen Saudi Reddy, and Hanuman Nandanapanti.
There was slight delay, so I told MC that 7:30 should be our program, but I guess we are around 20 minutes. Hope all of you had enough snacks and drinks to keep it going, because my story is going to be long. Okay, guys? Because he said 10 years journey. Should I cramp it to 10 minutes or what? So it all depends on you. So before I start, is everybody okay so far? Okay. It's very proud and emotional moment for me, standing here on the dais in front of all of you, with whom everybody knows me. I'm sure by now everybody knows me. If not, please raise your hands. Kallam Garu? No? Madison. Okay. So jokes apart. So we started this journey back in 2014. And this is a story which I would like to go about little slowly, and at the same time, Yasmin, how are you? Good. So it starts from you anyways. So back then, Naveen brought, he happens to be my neighbor then, even now. So he said, there is something coming up, sir, why don't we take it a shot at? So that was this Atlantis company, which was up for sale. And he said, okay, let's give it a shot if you are interested. So then we just sat and we talked to the owners, previous owners, and we said, okay, what is what? And they said, no, they are not interested. Okay, so it fell back. So we walked off. Then again, we started our search. I think, yeah, the team on the table knows how the journey was at that time. Then again, they called us. Sometimes it's called destiny, right? So we are supposed to be here 10 years after. So they called us back. They said, okay, are you still interested? Are you in the market? We are interested in talking to you. So then we went back, and anyways, rest is the history. We are here today with Naveen and myself, started that day. So with a small hope, big ideas, and trust in the company, in the people at the time who are with us and who are with us. We said, okay, let's make it. So that way we have started on that day till today. So started with handful of customers, with very 2.5 employees. That's what Naveen says very fondly. When we started, it was only 2.5 employees. What, Rahula? So you know very well. So then from that day to today, with all the consultants all put together, around 400 plus, and okay, with the multi-million-dollar business revenue-wise. So it's a good journey we had. So I guess that is all goes the tribute, or what I should say, the credit goes to everybody in this room, not just me and Naveen or whoever came later on. So it is for everybody's journey, right? So everybody have contributed in your own way to where we are today to celebrate this event. I still remember those days when, or the day when we moved our servers from Hamilton to Markham Data Center. That was our product, which was on VM Cloud. So the whole night we were sitting and trying to connect all the cables, which we don't know what it does. Finally, anyways, Sean helped us, and I will tell you about Sean, who is he, in a moment. But it just happened. Finally, all our customers were up and running on that night. I think it took almost the weekend, Saturday and Sunday. So that was, after that, since we chose Markham Data Center because it was very close to our house, and because every night we used to get a call from Darren and all, so go and hit the button there, hit the button here. We don't know what we were doing, but we used to go to the data center and hit the button. So hitting the button, we have reached here. So that was those days, which were still I remember, they were still in front of my eyes, I should say. Those were our early days, simple, uncertain, but full of belief. And once we have taken the management of Atlantis, myself and Darren, we had few customer visits. Those were very funny. So Darren is full of information. He is encyclopedia of BM Cloud. Not only that, also about aircrafts. So he was an Air Force, and so he helped me knowing all the aircrafts, what he flown or he was part of it or whatever it is. So I learnt a lot from him. He is the man with few words and only one coffee all the way. So whenever I sit in the car, he sits with the coffee. I am hungry. He says he doesn't need anything. He needs just coffee. So, and I have to stop and myself and I need something to munch, guys, because he doesn't even drive. So because he only knows how to fly aircrafts or maybe repair aircrafts. But you know what? They don't rent out the aircrafts for me to take them from one customer to another customer. So I had to only rent cars. So that's how it was. So Darren, that was good. So those visits helped us in strengthening our relationships and shaped our philosophy. Okay. So when we look back, those humble beginnings are what make this moment so meaningful. We have grown from those early days into a thriving multi-million-dollar enterprise. But what truly defines us is the journey, the people, and the purpose behind it. So before I further go, I would like to take a moment and acknowledge someone very special. Corey Fazal. He was the founder of Atlantis Consulting Group Inc. So he was the father of BM Cloud. A visionary and a true technocrat, far ahead of his time. When we took over Atlantis, Corey didn't just hand over a business, he handed over a legacy built on integrity, innovation, and technical excellence. Many of the principles that guide us even today, quality, customer focus, and doing the things right way, came from the foundation what Corey laid. We owe him our deepest respect and gratitude for his vision and for trusting us to carry that legacy forward. Round of applause, please. Okay, so the journey started. So where are we now? 2015. Okay. So on the storyline, we are on 2015. So at that time, we were knocking all the doors, trying to sell BM Cloud, our vision, and our customers definitely have accepted us as the newcomers. They had the trust what Corey laid. So that's what the picture we gave, and they really got impressed, and we were going very well on marketing ourselves. That's when we hit crossroads. We were not knowing what to do next. So that's when we were sitting. Before that, few months before that, we had one demo wherein the customer asked few questions where Darren and the whole team didn't have any answers, for which because they were into the manufacturing industry and we were into the retail industry. So there is a difference in the industry itself and the way the systems work. That's when we realize that there is a gap in our systems and we need to either build that system or we need to buy another system. So, welcome Ravi Garu. That's when we added Worksware. Do we have on that? 2017. So Worksware ERP system, which is meant for manufacturing, and we were trying to integrate that system with our BM Cloud. So as well as upgrade the system of Worksware. So that's when we hit the crossroads. So that's when I and myself and Naveen, we were discussing, and there was one anonymous call for a birthday party invitation for which I need to attend. And I met my old schoolmate friend Hanuman, who gave us, whom after a few years I met, and that was one of the turning point came up. So this was almost, we were 3 years into the journey. So that's when he was already running a 100 million conglomerate in US. So when we reached out and gave him all the picture, what it is, what we are trying to do, so how we can improve this particular quality and footprint in Canada. So he said, okay, Guru, for you, anything. So that's when he came, our third partner, I think most of them I keep telling, so our US partner, Mr. Hanuman. So he, without any hesitation, he joined us. He not only brought leadership, he brought energy, vision, and belief. He helped us dream bigger, execute smarter, and reach higher, and together we began shaping what Atlantis would become. So that is for Mr. Hanuman. So he was to be here. In the last minute, he could not make it. Not because of Friday traffic, but due to personal reasons. He is from Atlanta. He could not make it. Before he was to get onto the flight, he called me and said so-and-so reasons. So, but he is eager to meet. Most probably sometime in January, he will join us again and we all will meet with him. I have hit this crossroads couple of times. Once Hanuman's entry was there, and again into the journey when we were into the journey, when Hanuman joined us, that's when we acquired Aptoza. Is that there? Yeah, 2019. So Aptoza joined us, and that's Vinay helped us, at least shaping it up to a certain extent, and we have been growing since then. We have some clientele there for Aptoza. Okay, so and after that, again, so what's next? What's next? So that's when I think I met Kimberly again. So Kimberly, today again, she couldn't make it. So in the last minute dropout. So she and myself worked in Metrolinx as well as earlier in National Express in Chicago. So there she said, okay, I will help you in whatever way I can. So she also joined us as a trusted advisor, and she started getting us some traction and also some clientele. That's how we met Alasdair to Andrea to Barry. So the list goes on. There is a lot of people with whom we are working today, and it all happened that way. So now I just would like to also say something about our customers, team and silent supporters. Our customers, many of them, when we joined, it was for them, we don't know, they know Corey, they know the team, but then they believed us. They said that whatever Corey laid foundation, we will best upon us. That foundation, they thought we can take it forward. So they did believe in our commitment, and that really helped us quite a bit in taking the momentum from there. And we also have some partners and collaborators who are always there in helping us and bringing our ideas into shape by suggesting where to go, what to do, what next. So this is for them too. We would like to recognize them. and our dearest team. So my dear team, I should say, they have been all throughout the journey for last 10 years, and they have been helping the shaping Atlantis group of, Atlantis IT group, I will say. And finally, to our silent supporters, the ones who may not be in the spotlight, but those work makes everything possible. So a special mention to RBC, folks who are not there from day one when we started this journey, from the opening of the bank account till today, they have been always there. So from Mr. Kumaran Siddiqui to Jeffred Hurd to, Dave, and today to Lakshmi Yadav and Harjot Singh, he was to come, last minute dropout again, and our bankers, so with whom ICICI Bank, the team is here, so we are trying to explore some possibility of partnerships and, moving forward. Our accounting team from Mr. Ajay Khanna, Srinivas Kallamgaru, who have laid our foundation for our bookkeeping and, who helped us set foundation right, to Mr. Gengdai, so from HSM and Associates, our CPA who has been our trusted advisor and guide on all our financial fronts. So he does some magic, I don't know, so let's see. We have to wait for more magic to come up. And to Mr. Patrick Westavay from Westavay Corporate Law, whose counsel and support have been instrumental in shaping our corporate framework and keeping us on the right path. Thank you, Mr. Patrick. So this milestone isn't just ours, it belongs to all of you who helped shape the Atlantis story in your own way. In this journey, we also learned that just P&Ls, balance sheets won't matter. So what we earn, where we stand, what we drive, where we live doesn't matter if we do not give something back to the society. So we were looking at how do we give back to the society. That's when, Alistair has advised us, what we need to do. So we have, for that, came up with Aki Infotech, through which we want to give back to the community, we want to support the community and laid a big foundation to the communities where we live. It gives me filler so that I can read my speech, so that you can keep clapping. Okay. Looking ahead, as we look towards the next decade, I see Atlantis not just as a successful business, but as a platform for innovation, collaboration, and social impact. Our journey is far from over. In many ways, it's just the beginning. The future will bring new challenges, but I am confident that with the same spirit, determination, and teamwork that got us here, there's no limit to what we can achieve. So tonight, as we celebrate 10 amazing years, let's also celebrate the people, the memories, and the purpose that made it all possible. Thank you to every single person who's been part of this story, our customers, partners, team, and families. Here's to the next 10 years. Please raise your toast. Okay. Special recognition goes without saying, our families who are there always supporting us. Okay, Naveen. Come on. I would have not missed a name, but I have left something for Naveen too, so Naveen will carry on.